Hello friends, we have studied previous class about the solid editing toolbar up to this copy edges. Directly we can go ahead with the further commands as per our requirement. We have studied in that subtract, union, intersect, extrude face, move face, offset face, delete face, rotate face and the taper face. And also we have studied about the copy faces, copy color faces, copy edges and the color edges. Next directly you can go into the further commands. Let us first I will draw one circle at the end point of this one. Next directly we can go ahead with this circle as a print on this object with the help of command called imprint. Select the object to imprint. What at prompt area it is asking. Select the object. This is the object. And don't give an enter because at prompt area it is directly asking the object. Select the object to imprint. Okay. It is asking delete source object. If you like to delete the circle, you can delete it. Otherwise, directly you can go for the no. I go for the deleting that circle so that my object print is there. There is circle print on that solid as per the selected area. Now I can directly go ahead with this extrude face on this object with the help of given height and give 0.5 degree taper. Means that much area can be extruded, that is imprinted area can be extruded or moved or some other different applications as per the customer requirement. Like this you can go further keeping that object, and also if you don't want to have that one, go for and directly go for the cleaning that imprint area. Directly you can clean it so that that object will not be seen properly as per the required way. This cleaning of the object, that is go to clean, select the object so that it is going to, it will not maintain any relation of that object. Next we go for the separate command. Separate commands are used. Suppose this is one object, this is one object. If both objects are there, if I unite it, what happens? These objects are going to make a single entity, isn't it? If I delete it also, if I erase it also, it will be deleting. But if you want to make this separate, see, but these are coinciding with the edges. If I go to separate here, select the object, give an enter, give an enter. See, now even though it is united, it is aligned with the same edge, so it is not taking the separate command. But whereas if we have the two other objects, if you would like to unite both the objects, but the objects are not touching each together, so that is different, this is different, but both objects are united. If you would like to separate these two commands, directly go for the separate command, select the object to separate, give an enter, so that the object is going to make separate. Like this you can use that object with the help of separate command. Next, I will go for one box. There is a command called there is shell. Shell is used to add the wall thickness for all the faces of the object. This box has got 6 faces. I would like to remove this face. Select the solid. It is solid. It says to remove. I would like to remove this. I would like to remove this. I would like to remove this. Give an enter. Now it is asking shell offset distance. I go for the shell offset distance. Give the 10 mm so that the shell is, as I told, it is going to add the 3 faces 10 mm distance, and the rest of 3 we have removed to see the thickness. The general concept is to understand that shell is going to add as per our requirement. Next, directly we can go ahead with solid check. This is used to check the solids. You can so that you can apply the different commands as per the customer requirement. You can edit all these commands. You can have the different object views also. Now we will directly go ahead with the next modifying command, that is next user defined command, that is UCS. We will take the command UCS toolbar, we will keep here somewhere. UCS is used to select the plane concept. Default what we have the coordinate system, that is world coordinate system, the horizon x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, where the for x, y, z is perpendicular. Right now whatever I do, it will be coming on the, that is base plane, height is coming positively about the upper level. If I would like to work on these three faces, I have to go for the option called UCS face option. UCS face means you have to select the face of the object. Go for the face. What it is, select the 3D solid. It is saying it is select 3D solid. Now dynamic UCS is on, automatically it is taking the face. If I give enter, it is taking that face. But if I select this face, automatically you can select this face. Depending upon the user requirement, I can work on these faces. See, I can directly drag like this. I can select it. I'll delete these two. Now see, I have made my working plane is changed as per my requirement with the help of UCS face option. Select the face and promptly like this, select a solid face. If I would like to say, select this one, give an enter. You have to give enter. Generally, you forget to give the enter. You have to give enter to accept it. Go for cylinder. You have to don't use object snap. Directly click like this. If I use object snap, the UCS goes there. If I would like to have on the base face also, you have to go for UCS face, give an enter. Now I'll go for the either cylinder or that you can go for the box like this. See, we have created three objects on the three planes because we are work on the different planes. Now I would like to subtract all these objects from the solid. Select this, select the second solid, select the third solid. All objects are removed. Means we can work on the different planes with the help of UCS face option. UCS means user coordinate system. User has to define his coordinate system. As per his requirement, he has to work. Default option is UCS world. It goes and it places to the world coordinate system. This first option. UCS previous means it will take the previous areas. Okay. Next, if you would like to go for some other options also you can. If you would like to change the origin, go to UCS origin, click on the object. It is going to take the origin option. If you would like to change it different without the face, if you would like to keep your object, you can go for the UCS Z vector also. Select the face. If you would like to give Z vector in this direction, it will come on the direction. And also if you would like to go for the UCS 3-point option, you have to select the 3-point. If I would like to give the first point here, you can give. Second point here, you can give. Third point here, you can give. According to that object, you are going to get the creating the object. It comes like this. Irrespective of your object UCS, you have to work on that plane. Next, if you would like to go for the other UCS commands also, we have to go ahead with the step by step. So I would like to have the UCS restore commands and viewing applications in the next session. Okay, thank you.